Navigate Europe with your Airtel SIM like a pro and keep your travel budget intact. First things first, let's talk about making sure your Airtel SIM is actually ready for European adventure. Most modern Airtel SIMs are global or international roaming enabled by default. However, it's always a smart move to double-check with the Airtel customer care before you leave. A quick call or chat can confirm your device and SIM are unlocked and ready for international networks. Now, the big question: roaming charges. Europe, for Airtel users, typically falls under their international roaming plans. You'll need to activate an international roaming pack before you depart. Airtel offers various packs that bundle data, calls, and texts, often at a much more favorable rate than Paya. So you go research the specific packs available for your destination countries. In Europe, some are region-specific. When choosing a day pack, consider your typical usage. Will you be constantly uploading photos and videos, or just checking maps and occasional messages? Opting for a pack with sufficient data is crucial to avoid surprise charges for exceeding your allowance. Many Airtel packs offer data for either specific countries or broader European zones. Once you land in Europe, your Airtel SIM should automatically connect to a local network. You might see the network name change on your phone's display, indicating it's connected to a partner carrier. If it doesn't connect automatically, go into your phone's cellular settings, manually search for available networks, and select one of Airtel's partner carriers. Avoid connecting to networks not listed by Airtel, as these might incur higher charges. To stay connected without breaking the bank, always monitor your data usage within your phone settings. Many international Airtel packs also have a dedicated app or USSD codes to check your remaining balance and validity. This proactive approach ensures you're aware of your consumption and can manage it accordingly throughout your trip. By activating the right international roaming pack and being mindful of your network selection and usage, you can enjoy seamless connectivity across Europe with your Airtel SIM, keeping you in touch with loved ones and ensuring your travel plans run smoothly. Happy travels!